the Donosky actually messaged me on Facebook. I've got proof here that it's the real one here because it's verified. Facebook is my name, and if you go on message, oh no, that's into new message, right? Go on your messages you just sent. I just sent one today. Well, I'll prove it to you. If you don't believe me, message them. Hi. There's a message on today. And if you scroll right up, then look.